Ever wondered why the most successful traders on Kraken aren't using the standard mobile app you see in the App Store? When I first moved my high-volume strategies to Kraken, I realized very quickly that the consumer-grade interface was costing me money, not just in high fees, but in execution speed. If you're serious about moving from a casual investor to a pro trader, you need to stop thinking about Kraken as one app and start looking at it as a specialized ecosystem. The powerhouse, Kraken Desktop. The absolute gold standard for pro users isn't a web browser, it's Kraken Desktop. This is a dedicated, Rust-based application designed for low-latency performance. Unlike the web version, it doesn't lag during high-volatility spikes. Customization. I use the multi-window support to span my order books, live charts, and trade history across 3 monitors. The Edge. It features ladder trading, which lets me place and adjust orders with a single click directly on the price ladder. It's the fastest way to scalp or enter positions when the market is moving at light speed. The execution engine, Kraken Pro, web and mobile. When I'm away from my desk, I shift to Kraken Pro. This is a separate app from the standard Kraken Purple app. The math. Standard Kraken can charge upwards of 1.5% in fees. On Pro, because of the maker-taker model, my fees started at 0.25% and dropped significantly as my 30-day volume increased. Advanced orders. This is where you get access to conditional orders. I don't just set a stop loss, I use reduce-only and post-only instructions to ensure I'm not accidentally doubling my position or paying taker fees when I intended to provide liquidity. Automation, REST and WebSocket APIs. For my automated setups, I don't use the UI at all. I plug into Kraken's WebSockets API. Why WebSockets? While the REST API is great for checking balances, WebSockets provide a continuous, real-time stream of market data. Pro tip: if you aren't a coder, use a tool like CoinRule or 3 commas. These platforms connect via API keys to your Kraken Pro account, allowing you to run 24/7 bots, like Grid or DCA bots, without having to keep your computer running. Analysis and tracking, TradesViz. Execution is only half the battle, the other half is the post-game analysis. I sync my Kraken API keys to TradesViz. It's a professional-grade trading journal that automatically imports every trade. It breaks down my profit factor and max drawdown, showing me exactly which coin pairs or times of day are actually profitable and which are just noise. Security, the pro setup. Finally, pro trading requires pro-level security. I use Global Settings Lock, GSL. This adds a time delay to any sensitive account changes. Even if someone got into my account, they couldn't change my withdrawal address or disable 2FA for days, giving me plenty of time to lock everything down. If you're still using the basic interface, you're essentially bringing a knife to a gunfight. Switch to the pro ecosystem, lower your fees, and start using the tools designed for the way you actually trade. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.